Are you a realtor struggling to make your listing stand out? Imagine walking into a home that's so pristine it practically sparkles. With TidyTex home cleaning, that dream can be your reality. As a proud veteran-owned service based in San Antonio, we specialize in cleaning homes to perfection, ensuring they look their best for open houses and buyer visits. We understand that first impressions matter, and a clean home is the ultimate attention grabber. Our professional cleaning team works swiftly and efficiently, guaranteeing quick turnarounds to meet your tight schedule. Our services help improve property showings, attract more buyers, and ultimately close deals faster. Plus, here's a tidy tip for realtors. Before a showing, open all the blinds and turn on the lights. A well-lit space creates a warm, inviting atmosphere that makes potential buyers feel right at home. Let TidyTex handle the cleaning, so you can focus on what you do best, selling. For more details, check the video description and contact us today via our website, phone, or email. Get ready to see your listings shine and your sales soar with TidyTex.